91. 3-point charges plus q minus 2q and plus q are placed at point 3-point charges plus q minus 2q and plus q are placed at 0 a 0 0 0 0 and x equal to a 0 0 it should be. The magnitude and direction of electric dipole vector of this charge assembly. Electric dipole means how many charges? Two equal and opposite charges. So minus 2q we can consider to be as split into minus q and minus q. So we'll have two dipoles here. Dipole moment is from minus to plus. Dipole moment is from minus to plus. If this is P1, this is P2, both are of same values, which is distance A into Q, because it is finite distance between two charges into magnitude of one charge, and resultant of two perpendicular vector will be root 2 times given vector. So root 2 AQ and passing through 0 0 AA 0. So it is root 2 QA along line joining origin and AA. That is option B. Followed?
Yes.
Yeah, try.
Yes.
Next one after 91.
So the 94th one.
94. Charge plus Q minus Q are placed at distance A in a uniform field. The dipole moment of combination is 2AQ. 2QA dipole moment. 94. Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap, where theta is angle between direction of field and the line joining two charges. The torque experienced by the field on dipole vanishes. Net force on the dipole vanish. Torque is independent of choice of coordinates. Net force is independent of A. First meaning, have you understood? Two charges are placed at distance A and minus A in uniform electric field. So if this is uniform electric field, dipole moment is having this cos theta I cap x component and sin theta j cap y component, correct? That means it will be making angle theta with E. Hello?
Yes.
So this angle is theta, that means, correct? If this is E, this angle is theta. So therefore it will have this component in cosine and y component in sine. Hello?
Yes.
Forces acting will be QE in the direction of field.
Yes.
So torque vanishes wrong. Net force on the dipole vanishes in uniform electric field. The torque is independent of choice of coordinate. No, it depends upon coordinates because that will be angle. Net force is independent of A. Net force on the dipole is vanishing. Huh? Hello? Net force on the dipole will be zero. Na? Equal opposite force. So net force will be zero.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Net force is zero.
So, sir, only option B.
Option B.
Yes, sir.
And after this,
98.
98. Karan, we are doing doubt solving from that conductor wala sheet. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So just we were discussing 94.
Hmm.
94. Shane, one option we told net force will vanish, correct?
Yes.
Net force is independent of distance. That is also true, na?
Yes, sir.
And torque does not depends upon coordinate. That is also true, na? Because it is P sine theta.
Yes, sir.
So three answers should be there. Then you are telling 98, correct?
Yes, sir.
Dipole moment P is placed in electric field along x axis. What is meaning of non-uniform field? Meaning of non-uniform field? Hello? Non-uniform field means what?
So, at different points, the intensity value is different.
That means its value is not same. At different point it is different, correct. A dipole of dipole moment is placed in non-uniform field. Dipole of dipole moment P along x-axis electric field is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter, then force on dipole will be. What is formula for, this is very good, some 98. Dipole moment is increasing at the rate of 1. Any relation between force and potential energy? This is the relation, force and potential energy. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This, you know, potential energy is minus du by dx. From mechanics we know. And potential energy in electric dipole, is it minus P bar dot E bar for electric dipole?
Yes.
That means F will become minus of, if you take magnitude, minus of D minus PE with respect to distance, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So P is constant. This will be dE by dx, correct? And what is dE by dx given? 1. D by dx is given 1, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So answer is F equal to P. Totally different sum. After 98,
So 107.
107. Okay. Infinite sheet carrying uniform charge density sigma lies in xy plane. Work done to carry charge q from point. Work done to carry charge q from A bar, which is A I cap plus 2j plus 3k, to another point B, which is A I minus 2j plus 6k cap, is how much? Infinite sheet of charge. What will be displacement, can you tell? ds bar? It will be A into I minus I0. This will be 4j. Hello? So if you calculate displacement, I minus I0 minus 2 is minus 4j, plus 6 and minus 3 will be plus 3k cap. Correct? What is formula for intensity at any point near plane sheet? Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. We have derived this.
Hmm.
And if
Yes.
this is in xy plane, then they are telling it is in xy plane. That means E bar should be along Z, perpendicular to this. What is formula for work done? Force into displacement. Force is Q E bar dot displacement. Hello? So Q sigma upon 2 epsilon k cap It's dot with A into minus 4j plus 3k cap. Space is not there. Okay. Just copy till this, then we'll take dot product. What is dot product of formula? I dot I coefficient plus j coefficient plus k coefficient. So this A rho sigma I brought outside. What will be k dot 3k? Will it be 3? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Do you know that dot product formula?
Mm.
What is dot product? Coefficient of I plus coefficient of j plus coefficient of k. I is not there, so it will become 0. J is not there, 0. Only k will come. So 3k dot k is 3. So answer is 3 sigma A q upon 2 epsilon naught. Good sir. One not 7. After 107,
So 108 and 9 both.
8 and 9 both. Okay. A thin glass rod is bent in the form of semicircle. Plus q is uniformly distributed on the upper half. And charge minus q is distributed on the lower half. Okay. The magnitude and direction of field E produced at point P, center of this will be where? What will be direction of field by this one? Suppose you consider only this much, then will it be this way directed? And this one will be this way directed. Result will be this, na? So E due to positive, sorry, negative wala, inward. Due to negative, and then result will come this way, no? Correct or not? So at least I can say it is perpendicular to OP and directed downward. Perpendicular to OP and directed downward is given in two places, so I have to find the magnitude. First draw diagram, then we'll see. Due to positive charge, E equals to whatever will be due to positive charge, same will be due to negative charge, just direction gets changed. What will be this angle? Can you tell? This angle, is it 90 degree? What is formula? 2k lambda by r into sine of alpha by 2. For ring, I think I had given you this. So now 2k lambda by r sine of 90 by 2. That means 2k lambda by r sine of 45, which will become 2k lambda by r 1 by root 2. Resultant, because two fields are same and perpendicular, so E resultant will be root 2 times individual. Root 2 cancel. Any doubt till this? Two vectors are perpendicular and inclined and equal, then result is what? Root 2 times. These two are perpendicular, so result will be root 2 times. Please copy till this. Then I am putting lambda and k value. Two k lambda by r, which we have to simplify. This is 2 k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught by r. Lambda means charge per unit length. Length is 1/4 of circumference, which is 2 pi r. So 2 cancel, 4 cancel. It will be q upon pi square epsilon naught r square. Hmm. 1/4 of circumference. So I got pi square epsilon naught r square. Option B, correct? B option. One zero nine also you want, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This you followed? Formula please write down. Note, write down formula for arc subtending angle theta, alpha at the center. Formula of E is 2k lambda by r sine alpha by 2. Now 109. A rod lies along x-axis with one end at the origin and other side is tending to infinity. Side is tending to infinity. It carries uniform charge lambda. Electric field at x equal to minus a. Electric field at x equal to minus a on the axis will be. This is tending to infinity. Electric field at distance minus a will be. Hello? Lambda is charge per unit length. This is acting on the left hand side. At distance a we want k lambda into 1 upon a plus 1 upon minus 1 upon a plus l. This you know formula for linear conductor. If this is conductor at distance a, near this we want field. This formula you are knowing? Hello, this formula you know or not? Now just write down this formula, intensity. 1 minute, I'm just writing this formula. This is suppose a conductor charged uniformly having lambda charge, then at a distance a, near this is having length L. Formula is E equals to K lambda 1 upon A minus of A plus L. Here L is infinity they are telling. So only 1 by A you will get, because 1 upon infinity will become 0, correct now? And direction is left hand side. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into lambda, left hand side minus I cap. Follow? Only will follow if you know this formula. This is formula for you right now. Minus I, because on the left hand side it will be going outward on the left.
Yes, sir.
Then 110.
So I got that.
Got it. 111.
So we have to submit that later.
No, till 140 I have told, I think, today.
So it was written 110. No?
एक मिनट प्लानर देख लेता हूँ. Today till 110. Correct, till 110. So till 110 over. Now we'll start with chapter 3. Third one, electric potential we are doing. Huh? Electric potential. What is electric potential defined as? Amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in electric field is called as electric potential at that point. Amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in electric field is called as electric potential at that point. Hello?
Yes.
Suppose this is positive charge and this is electric field of that. At infinity, what is electric field? 0?
Yes.
Because distance tends to infinity, then field tends to 0, force tends to 0. From here, if I bring the charge closer, then this will start pushing it. That means repelling it. Hello?
Yes, sir.
But if we can move it in the field and bring it up to certain point, that means we are doing work against the force. And work done against the force is called potential. Hello? So electric potential V at a point, therefore electric potential comma V is work done to move the charge. It is scalar quantity or vector quantity? It is scalar because work is scalar. What is its SI unit?
Volt.
Volt or joule per coulomb. Let's copy this. Then one important derivation we have to do. At a distance r from point charge, what will be potential? Derive expression for potential at certain distance due to point charge. Since we want potential, that means we want work done against the force. In case of electrostatic, for getting force, how many charge we require? Yes, how many charge we require for getting force? 2, na?
Yes.
So consider charge small q, comma capital Q to be situated at distance x at point A and B. So force of repulsion will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square. Let charge plus Q be moved by very small distance dx, moved by very small distance dx. Therefore, work done against repulsive force, comma dw is minus force into displacement, because force is pushing it outward and we are moving inward, they are in opposite direction, minus f dx. So minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon QQ upon x square into dx, correct? So total work done to move charge from 0 from infinity to distance r. Suppose C is at distance r from A, comma W is integration of dw when you move that charge not by dx but from infinity to a distance at a point r. After this it is maths. Now draw the diagram. Consider 2-point charges QQ to be placed at distance x. Therefore, force of repulsion, comma F. Then start from here. Done. Consider 2-point charges. Consider 2-point charges Q comma capital Q to be placed at distance x. Therefore, force of repulsion, comma F equal to. Okay, done till this? Okay. Now see how to do this integration. Therefore, W equals to minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by x square dx from infinity to R, minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ upon dx by x square from infinity to R, minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ, 1 upon x square, I am taking it up, x raised to minus 2 dx from infinity to R. So minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ integration. What is integration of x raised to minus 2? What will be integration of x raised to minus 2? X raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 from infinity to R. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ 1 by x from infinity to R. Therefore, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity. 1 upon infinity, we know it is 0. Hello? So work done upon charge q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. What is work upon charge? That is potential. That is electric potential, comma v equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt?
Sure.
Solve it. हेलो, अरे तुमको तुरंत दे दिया तो जनरल रिमाइंडर मैंने उसको भेजा है। अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके, हाँ हाँ हाँ। नहीं मैं तो ऐसा जनरल तभी जितना देख रहा था वैसे भेज रहा था सबको। ठीक है, हाँ 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 हाँ। नहीं सबका जुलाई पूरा है, मैं तो 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट जाऊँ ना। अच्छा। नहीं पहला आता है एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन आता है, फिर मार्च आता है, फिर जुलाई आता है। हाँ हाँ, पहला 5 और बाद में 10 है ना, वैसे ही है ना, 5 10 10। हाँ 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 हाँ। और दूसरा दिसंबर में मार्च में आता है, फिर जुलाई में आता है ऐसे। हाँ 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 हाँ। अच्छा, तो लास्ट कभी है? जुलाई में होगा। हाँ नहीं कैसे है ना, क्योंकि जुलाई उसका स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट ईयर का एडमिशन, तो इसलिए जुलाई 5 तक वो लोग क्लियर कराते हैं। हाँ हाँ। सर मेरे को वो मुझे वो ना एक्चुअली बराबर नहीं लगता है। क्या मतलब? हाँ ये तो मैंने बराबर वैसे करके ही किया है ना। हाँ 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 yes, हाँ। जो क्या फिर थोड़ा पेरेंट्स को क्या कॉन्फिडेंस भी आता है ना फिर। अभी जो पहचानता है वो ठीक है, जो नहीं पहचानता है वो कैसे बेचारा भरेगा ना पास। हाँ। मैंने पेरेंट्स मीटिंग रखा है अभी इसके बाद, अगला सैटरडे को। हाँ बोला है उनको, आज कल डालूंगा। क्या बोल रहे हो पेपर? हाँ नहीं मैंने बताया उसको। हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं, 3 मिस्टेक है ना, वो तो मैंने बताया उसको। एक बी को जगह पे ए चाहिए ना एमीटर में। नहीं डायग्राम राइट है, खाली बी के जगह पे ए लिखना चाहिए ना। तो 1 मार्क उधर गया, 2 मार्क उसमें गया, 2 सम में। फिर एक सम में उसने 4 रहा, वो लॉजिक बराबर नहीं है। हाँ अच्छा, मैं लेक्चर के बाद फिर से फोन करता हूँ। Yes, completed.
Yes.
Electric potential at a point is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r. Now, potential energy due to assembly of charges. Due to assembly of charges. For ISC, this is favorite question. Either they will ask you numerical or small theory for 2 marks. When do we have potential energy? When we do work against force or anytime it comes? Hello?
So if we need a field.
We need field, okay. So that means if I bring one charge q from infinity, there is no other charge. Will there be any work done to bring it to some point A from infinity? Will there be work done? Yes, will there be work done? Well, so much time you are taking. If from infinity I am bringing charge to certain point and there is no field, will there be work done?
So there won't be.
Huh?
So no work will be done, right?
What will be done, you are saying?
So there won't be any work done.
So zero work done, no work done, no work done, correct. So that means if we are having two charges, q1, q2, if q1 is brought from infinity up to point A, work done will be 0. When another charge q2 is brought up to point B at a distance r from A, then work will be done. Correct?
Yes.
And that work done to move charge q2 will be potential due to charge q1.
Yes.
So this will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 upon distance between q1 and q2. So this is same as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon distance between 1 and 2. This work done is called potential energy. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Heading written, can I clear? Can I clear this?
Yes.
One
Yes.
second. Chalo. Ekdam. Assembly of two charges first. Let q1 q2 be two charges initially at infinity. When charge q1 is brought from infinity to certain point, then work done will be 0. When q2 is brought from infinity to a point at a distance r from q1, then work done comma w upon q2 is potential due to charge q1. Okay, please copy it in this. Okay. Therefore, W equals to Q2 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. So W equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. That is potential energy between two charges, potential energy between two charges, comma U equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R. Shane, I received your planner, July wala. That is for entire July they have given, huh?
Yes, sir.
No? हाँ मैडम हाँ एक मिनट 130 चलेगा मुझे 130 हाँ 130 चलेगा हाँ हाँ yes चलेगा yes done
Yes.
okay note first potential energy for three charges. This will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon distance between 1 and 2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q3 distance between 1 and 3, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q2 Q3 distance between 2 and 3. That means when first charge is brought, no work is done. When Q2 is brought, work will be done by this force. And when Q3 is brought, then against Q1 work is done, even Q2 work is done. So Q2 as well as Q1 both we have written. Follow this note for numerical.
Yes.
Now suppose there are 4 charges. See the method. Maximum they can give you 4 charges. For 4 charges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Method read. See. 1 2 1 3 1 4, one set is over. 2 1 already done. 2 3 2 4, second set is over. Third 3 1 over, 3 2 over, 3 4. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms will come. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 with q2, q1 with q3, q1 with q4, distance 1 2 1 3 1 4, then q2 q3 plus q2 q4 plus q3 q4 r3 4. This is the potential for 4 charges. Maximum they will ask you numerical of 4. Right, first and second as a note. Today we'll stop here. Then Monday 7 to 8:30. Wednesday same time na we'll do. Hello.
Yes.
And one Friday you want 8 to 9:30, correct? Hello, same time you want once? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Shane, you can hear?
Yes, sir.
So this two and this way you want na?
Sir, yes, I'm fine.
No, because I wanted 7 to 8:30, but you told one day you keep 8 o'clock na?
Sir, I done something once.
So is it comfortable for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll log this, huh? आज के लिए इतने फिर. Because in emergency I kept na at 8 o'clock, so other lecture I have.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
please stick to the planner the way you did today. Perfectly it was.